Hey Bob, I was reading about Tunisia's cuisine, and it's fascinating how it has been influenced by its rich history. Have you ever delved into this topic?
Absolutely, Alice. Tunisia's culinary traditions are a treasure trove of history and culture. Let's dive right into it. First, I think it's essential to acknowledge the Phoenician influence. The Phoenicians established Carthage, and they brought ingredients like olives, grapes, and wheat. These staples remain crucial in Tunisian cuisine to this day.
That's true, Bob. And let's not forget the Roman era. Tunisia was once part of the Roman Empire, and their culinary heritage left a significant imprint. You can still find dishes like tine, which is similar to Italian lasagna, and the use of spices like cumin and coriander, which originated from North Africa.
Right on point, Alice. After the Romans, the Arabs arrived in the 7th century, bringing with them the Islamic dietary laws. This led to the development of unique Tunisian dishes like couscous, which became a cornerstone of Tunisian cuisine.
And don't forget the Berber influence, Bob. The indigenous Berber people have contributed substantially to Tunisian cuisine. Their knowledge of herbs and spices, as well as the traditional way of cooking in clay pots, have had a lasting impact.
Absolutely, Alice. The Arab and Berber influences fused to create dishes like brick, a popular Tunisian street food, and tagine, a slow-cooked stew. It's incredible how these diverse culinary traditions blended over the centuries.
Then there's the Ottoman period, which added more layers to Tunisia's cuisine. The Ottomans introduced new ingredients like lamb and various spices. The result? Iconic dishes like merguez, a spicy lamb sausage, and mlaukia, a flavorful green stew.
True, Alice. The Ottoman influence also extended to the use of phyllo pastry in dishes like brick and pastilla. It's intriguing how these culinary connections can be traced back through history.
Moving forward, Bob, let's not forget the French colonization, which began in the 19th century. The French introduced butter, baguettes, and pastries. These ingredients and techniques can be found in modern Tunisian pastries and baked goods.
Excellent point, Alice. The French also left a legacy of winemaking, which Tunisia continues to excel in. Tunisian wines are gaining recognition worldwide.
Then came the influence of neighboring Mediterranean countries. Tunisia's coastal location meant interactions with places like Italy and Greece. This brought Mediterranean staples like tomatoes, peppers, and capers into Tunisian cuisine.
Indeed, Alice. Tunisia's location on the Mediterranean also introduced seafood into the diet. Dishes like couscous with fish and seafood tagine are testaments to this influence.
Now, let's talk about the impact of trade routes. Tunisia has been a crossroads for trade between Europe, Africa, and the Middle East for centuries. This resulted in the incorporation of exotic spices like saffron, cinnamon, and cloves into their dishes.
Absolutely, Alice. And let's not forget about the Moorish influence. The Moors, who settled in Spain for centuries, also left their mark on Tunisian cuisine. The use of almonds, citrus fruits, and a unique blend of spices can be attributed to their influence.
Moving into more recent history, Bob, Tunisia gained independence from France in 1956. This marked a return to traditional Tunisian cooking, with an emphasis on local ingredients and flavors.
Indeed, Alice. Tunisians take pride in their culinary heritage and continue to celebrate it. The use of local olive oil, harissa, a fiery chili paste, and an array of aromatic herbs and spices is central to their cuisine.
And let's not forget the importance of family and communal dining in Tunisia. Traditional dishes are often shared, and the act of breaking bread together holds deep cultural significance.
Absolutely, Alice. The way Tunisians gather around the table reflects their hospitality and the strong sense of community. It's a beautiful aspect of their culinary tradition.
So, in summary, Tunisia's cuisine is a tapestry woven from centuries of history and a diverse range of influences. From Phoenicians to Romans, Arabs to Ottomans, and French to Mediterranean, every layer has added depth and flavor to this remarkable cuisine.
Well said, Alice. It's incredible how a nation's history can be so vividly expressed through its food. Tunisia's culinary journey is a testament to the power of cultural exchange and adaptation.
Indeed, Bob. Exploring Tunisian cuisine is like taking a delicious journey through time and across continents. It's a reminder that food is not just sustenance. It's a living history that connects us all.
Couldn't agree more, Alice. Thanks for this enlightening discussion on Tunisia's culinary heritage.
You're welcome, Bob. It's always a pleasure to dive into the world of food and history with you.